So the plan today was to go to Mount Santubong, but because of funders, we have a plan B and we're going to the Blue Pool. So I'm at the reception over here. There's a tiny shop. You have to pay an entrance fee over here of 10 ringgit only. From here we are following the red and the white marking. So meet my companions. So we reached the Blue Pool. Look how clear it is. So we reached the pool. It's a 1.5 kilometer walk and we did it in a little bit like less than 1 hour. Some parts were a bit challenging. Other parts, I must say, was a piece of cake. Because of the rain there are some slippy areas, but it is doable. So there are some of my friends who were kind enough to take me with them. Yeah. And here are some of my other friends who took me with them today. I'm really pleased. The water is extremely clear and no smell, I must say. It's all water coming down from the mountain. There is a tiny waterfall over here. It has been raining, so that's why I think there is a bit of a flow there. But it is a nice quiet place. The water is nice, it is cool today. It is of course also raining, but it is a lovely place. The water is very clear, up to where I'm standing right now. Even children can come over here. If you go more closer to the waterfall, it will be more deep. So there you need to swim. Children, be aware. You need to swim to that waterfall. Parents, keep an eye on your children. But it is a lovely place, no leeches. Good place for a picnic. And we cross another small stream. This is actually the trail that you should use to go. We use this trail, but both trails will take you to that place, no problem. This pool is quite at the entrance. It's an actual water pool and you can see it is also, the water is nice and clear. I'm back at the entrance. The last thing to do here today is to sign out. And we have to make one tiny correction. We spotted 2 leeches today. That's it. Now, fun day. See you next time.